Wait, how old are you
Huh?
right now, Bilkis?
Huh? What?
How old? How old are you right now?
I am uh um I 12 years. Oh
12
yeah.
years old. Okay, so 10 years after 12 years, 10 years. 10 years from now, so you will be 22, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
I guess.
Okay, and how do you see yourself in 22 years old, Bilkis?
Maybe like a skeleton.
You will be the skeleton? The skeleton of what? What do you mean? Skeleton of the friends of SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Oh,
plankton. It's not skeleton. Skeleton means like, oh, wait, you're talking about the dark things? Skeleton. Skeleton. So you're going to, hey, Bilkis.
oh my. No, not like that.
Okay, so what do you mean you want to be the skeleton?
Mm. uh, I forget it.
Ah, yeah, okay, okay. You can change your mind. You can change your answer now. Okay, so Zia or Naya first?
Naya first, Naya first.
Okay, Naya. Oh, Naya, okay. Zia, throw the questions to Naya. Naya.
I don't
Yes,
see.
miss.
Yep. Naya, how do you see yourself in 10 years from now?
In 10 years old, I don't know, but maybe in 10 years old, I will be 23 tahun and I will be
Yes.
uh engineering student.
Oh, you're going to enter the engineering.
Engineering pride.
Okay, technique,
I don't
right?
like math, but okay.
So what kind of engineer is it? Electro?
Huh? I'm sorry, miss. Can you repeat it?
Electro engineering or what is it?
Ah, let me think.
Mining?
Uh, teknik perkapalan kali ya, mungkin, miss.
Teknik perkapalan. I see. What makes you interested in being one of the engineer?
Hmm, taking a photo and make it jedak jeduk.
Oh
Biar
my God.
Pepe Ahmed like woo.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you're going to make one of the trend of TikTok,
Yeah.
let's say. Okay. All right. So what do you see about your career?
Huh?
Career.
I'm sorry, miss. Career.
Career. Yes.
I don't know. I don't want to think about it.
You don't want to think about it, really?
Yeah.
Time has flown very fast, so you have to think about it earlier.
Damn.
Mm. Maybe you're going to work in Kalimantan, you're going to work in any other country. Yeah, you have to
Yeah.
know. Yeah, okay, just say that then. What country
What?
would you like to go?
Pen.
Japan.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to start your career in Japan
Mm-hmm.
as the engineer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, in Japan. So you're gonna go with the cruise? You're going to work in the cruise?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe that's going to be fun. Okay. Next, Bilkis.
Okay,
Again. As or Zia. Zia, are you ready?
ready?
Okay, Zia first. Yeah, Bilkis. Okay.
Yeah, alright. Okay.
Go.
Now,
Zia, how old are you right now?
now, 13.
13 years old. So
Um,
you're going to be 23 10 years from now. The same like Naya. How do you see
mm,
yourself in 23?
maybe I will, uh, maybe, businesswoman,
Oh, you
maybe.
will be the businesswoman. Okay, you'll be the businesswoman. What kind of business you're going to open?
Many,
Many, like what?
maybe skincare, food.
Yeah.
The food?
The food, the skincare,
Oh,
like that.
skincare. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You're really crazy of the skincare. That's why you're going to run the business of skincare, right?
of course.
Of course. And what about following your mom's paths, become the nail artist?
Oh yeah.
Do you also want to continue your mom's path?
Yeah, business,
Okay. Yes,
business
like
nail art.
Zia's mom is a nail artist, guys. Like Bilkis and Naya, you'd like to know, like she's making a beautiful nails for others. Oh my God.
Oh,
Okay, cool.
that
Yes, that was really interesting. That is also something skill that you might to learn because it's going to be, have a lot of benefits if you are really good at making the nail arts. So you're going to sell your, what is it, your service, ya. Jual jasa, itu namanya jual jasa. Like Miss Dita is also now working on this as the, what is it, service the students kind of stuff. Yes.
Mm.
Okay, good job, Zia. You are really
Okay.
visionaries. What about Bilkis?
okay. I want to be fashion designer, I guess.
Wow, fashion designer. Okay. And then
That's it.
that's who is your favorite fashion designer? Ivan Gunawan.
Who is that?
We don't know.
Really, you don't know Ivan Gunawan?
Nah, I
We
don't.
don't know.
Oh, I love the Victoria's Secret.
Victoria's Secret.
Wait. Uh,
Hmm.
and the one is like a guy, gemuk, and I guess cute. Who is
Ah,
it? I don't know.
what's the name?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Okay, the fashion designer that I know is Ivan Gunawan. Of course, it's like the most famous one in Indonesia. I don't know. I don't really know about the fashion designer, but what makes you interested in becoming the fashion designer?
Mm,
What makes you interested in it?
um, it's just that I want to make my dream dress, and yeah, for the models too.
Oh, so you can mix and match your
Oh.
own models,
Mm.
your own fashion. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because you also like to sketch, what is it, like drawing sketch, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, that's gonna be good for you to make a new design. Okay, can you please design for me too? I really need the good dress for summer vibes in Thailand, but in hijab, yeah.
Oh wow, summer.
Okay, now I'm just joking. Okay, guys, so this is actually what we are going to dig tonight. We're going to talk tonight about your future plans. When I grow up, blah, 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 blah. And in here, you can describe about the dreams, hopes, and ambitions. Everybody have the ambitions. We have different ambitions. Ya, ambisi orang itu beda-beda. Okay, the number one. Read the words and phrases and discuss their meaning with your teacher. Pay attention to small details. What is it called? What does it mean? Who wants
Second
to
question.
answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand tuh pakai simbol ya, because you're not opening the camera. So do you know how to raise your hand, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Bisa kan?
Like this, miss.
Okay, Naya, let's go.
Hah?
Yeah, like this.
Ah,
You're raising your hand, so you're ready to
ini
answer, right?
careful. So the meaning of pay attention to small detail, miss, is that
Yes.
kayak apa ya? Hmm? Kayak
It's like,
merhatiin sampai hal-hal terkecil gitu.
oh, it's like you seem so professional of
Yeah.
doing something.
The
Okay.
professional.
Professional and
Like you
perfectionist,
can
right?
miss any single things.
Okay. Any single thing. And then what kind of job that really needs the small details attention. What do you think?
Accountant maybe.
Yes, that's right, accountant. How to make the
Woo!
balance, how to solve the balance. Oh my God, yes, you have to pay attention to very small details. Karena kalau ada duit yang hilang, you have to pay back. Kamu harus ganti, guys.
I'm gonna cook if I work in accountant.
Yes.
I can't.
I couldn't more agree with you. Miss juga nggak bisa sih. Okay, good. Thank you, Naya.
Okay.
Okay, the next, Zia or Bilkis.
Me?
What is organized? Pay attention udah ya. Now, what is organized? What is the meaning of organized?
Organized like organisasi, right?
Could be like that, tapi di sini bukan.
Wow.
Organized means like structure. Berarti apa?
Structure.
Structure.
Terstruktur.
Yes, terstruktur. Organized. Okay. So what do you think about the job that really needs to organize well? Yang harus terstruktur dengan baik. What kind of job is that?
I don't know.
Okay, what about doctor? What about the teacher? Okay, doctor, the doctor. How can the doctor organize their job?
Uh, I don't know.
You can say in Indonesia first. If you're really difficult to say it in English, it's fine to use Indonesians first. Kira-kira dokter itu harus what is it? Organize pekerjaannya seperti apa?
Like mengobati pasien, right?
Yes, and then?
And then jadi ngeblank.
Okay. Okay, just for example like this, the doctor need the patient's appointment. Semua pasien itu kalau ke dokter harus pakai appointment. Apa itu
Oh,
appointment? Janji. Yes.
di
Kayak janji visit gitu loh. So for example, like they have jam praktik, right? They
yeah,
have
I know.
practical hours, yes, and then the patients should be coming to what is it like taking the queue untuk ambil antrian. Nah, that is really need organized thing. Itulah yang harus dipikirkan sama dokter. Because kalau dia misalnya punya surgery or the urgent things to do, kalau dia nggak well organized, terus pasiennya gimana? Right?
Right.
That is also actually happen to my job. Kayak teacher juga sama. It has to be organized. It has to be well organized. Because of what? Kalau satu lelet, satunya ngaret, ke bawah-bawah jadi ikutan. For example ya, kalian kan kelasnya jam 7 malam nih. We're going to start at 7. Kalau kalian lelet 10 menit, 20 menit, jadi kan nanti yang bawah-bawahnya ikutan lelet gitu. So that's why we really need to pay attention to the hour of our job and make sure everything well organized gitu. Thank you, Zia.
Yeah.
Okay,
You're
next,
welcome.
Bilkis.
Yeah.
The next, friendly.
Friendly.
Friendly. You can also take a look at this ya. Ini juga boleh jadi panduan nih. For example, what kind of job that really needs friendly behavior? Kira-kira apa ya pekerjaan yang harus friendly? Friendly itu kan, what is it in Indonesia?
Banyak teman.
Bukan, bukan. Humble. Friendly itu humble. Berarti apa? Apa sih in Indonesia? What is it, Naya? Can you please help me?
Sama
What is it?
mudah berbaur gitu nggak sih, Miss?
Yes,
Sama gitu. Nah,
easy going gitu kan. Tapi kita taunya bahasa Inggrisnya doang.
chill,
Humble,
chill.
humble, friendly, easy going. Itu sebenarnya sama. Tapi what is it in Indonesia? Bersahabat.
Kayaknya sih ramah sih, Miss
Oh,
ya.
ramah ya. Yes, yes,
Ya
yes, yes.
ramah,
Ya,
kemana-mana
sama lagi.
gampang gitu dia.
Oh iya, benar-benar
Ya,
benar. I'm so sorry because sometimes kalau di Indonesiain gitu jadi bingung. Friendly, I know friendly, easygoing, yes, the same.
ya.
In Indonesia we call it ramah ya, guys. Okay. So what kind of the professional job that needs friendly behavior?
I think a baby sister one sister.
Babysitter one. Okay. And what about becoming the blogger? Should they be friendly?
Um, uh, um, I don't know.
Maybe not, yeah, because
Pak.
bloggers sometimes work only for themselves. They're not working
Mhm.
with people. Okay. Yes, babysitter. I agree with you. Thank you, Bilkis. Back to Naya. Creative.
Kreatif.
Yep.
Hmm. Uh, should I explain the words first or
Yes. Explain it, and then after that, you have to find what kind of the professional jobs that
like
needs
creative is someone
creativity.
who apa ya banyak banget idenya like
Nah,
someone who can turn just a mineral botol mineral doang tiba-tiba
mm-mm.
bisa jadi prakarya sesuatu
Good.
like that
Betul sekali.
ya.
Good job. Yes, that is creative. And then what kind of the professional jobs now who needs creativity?
Artist of course, ya.
Only that.
And teacher, I think it's teacher
Yeah,
like I'm
yes.
seeing my sister like oh she
Yeah, you're
works so
finally
hard
noticing that because teacher also
like
needs the creativity.
yeah like
Mm-hmm.
artist teacher or
Mm-hmm.
yeah I think just two jobs that needs the real creativity.
Yes,
But
if
of
I can
course,
add
other
more,
jobs need
yeah,
creativity too. But the two of it is
yes, the two of this, teachers
yeah,
and what else before?
artist means
Artist, yes,
yeah.
artist means like seniman, right?
Uh-uh.
Oke, bukan yang aktor and aktris, right?
No,
Oke, jadi artis itu adalah seniman ya. Kalau in Indonesia kan artis itu bisa semua. Artis can be like singer dibilangnya artis. Aktor
yeah,
dibilangnya artis. Selebgram dibilangnya artis, ya kan? That is
yeah.
Indonesia. But actually, artis itu adalah pekerja seni. Atau kayak apa ya? um, Someone that likes to paint, yang suka melukis itu namanya artist. Okay, good. Also teacher. Teacher need the creativity.
Yeah.
Yes. I also sometimes making the media for my younger students. Like yeah, like what you have already given the example. Satu botol bisa jadi apa ya? Nah, that is also what I'm thinking in the
Yeah.
classroom. For example, I have to look at the surroundings. Barang apa yang bisa dipakai sebagai media ajar. So that was actually really hard. So I have to make it like, okay, I have to think it fast. In 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes,
Yeah.
I have to think it fast. Gitu. Okay, and then Zia. Zia,
Okay.
what is curious? Curious.
Career. I think manager and programmer. Pro
Oh, wait, wait. Oh, hold on. What did I
programmer.
do? Bentar, bentar, guys. Miss lagi ngapain ini? Hah? What did I click? Oh, udah. Oke. Yuk. Curious itu apa dalam artiannya?
Rasa ingin tahu, right?
Yes, rasa ingin tahu. Okay. So, what kind of the professional jobs that needs the curiosity?
Programmer pemain game, Kamis.
Programmer sama
And manager.
and manager. Yes, that's right. So manager juga harus punya the sense of curiosity ya. Jadi dia juga harus cari tahu nih, misalnya how to what is it? How to scale up the
Ya,
apa namanya? What is it?
skill.
Bukan scale up the finance. Kayak ada kalau dalam bisnis itu kan ada yang namanya goals, ya kan? Or
Ya,
the
ya.
budgets gitu. Jadi dia harus scale up. gimana nih cara tambah penghasilan, harus bikin apa lagi
Yeah.
eventnya gitu. So the manager
Yeah.
also need to think of it. Programmer also need the curiosity to solve their problem. Of course, programmer juga harus trial error itu banyak terjadi di pekerjaan programmer.
Yeah.
Yes, right? Nice.
Right.
Thank you, Zia.
Okay, Miss.
The next is Bilkis. Back to Bilkis again. Passion. Passion
What?
means sabar. Passion
Okay.
means sabar, bersabar. What kind of the professional job that needs passions? Of course, my job. Go.
Uh, um, a doctor and a dan penulis intinya.
Oke, dokter. Yang udah juga boleh sih. Dokter.
And writer. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, the writer also need the passion. Kenapa coba? Can you please explain?
Can I explain with Indonesian?
Ya, writer itu kan penulis, right?
Yes.
Why do they need the passion? Kenapa mereka butuh kesabaran?
Karena kalau nggak sabar-sabar, ntar tulisannya jelek. Ya, ilah.
Kalau nggak sabar, tulisannya jelek. Oke. Yes. Sometimes the writer has the difficulty of, finding the ideas. Mereka itu butuh inspirations. Ya kan? That's why the writer
Yeah.
or the authors kayak penulis buku itu they cannot make the book in only 1 month. Jadi mereka tuh butuh years bahkan ya bertahun-tahun. They really need to wait for the books done for over the years gitu to finish one book. Jadi mereka juga butuh riset. Mereka harus bersabar. That is also really hard working of the authors. Okay, next. Babysitter juga butuh passion,
Hmm.
ya kan? Kalau nggak sabar anaknya dicubitin gimana?
Ya, yang kayak itu
Mereka
kan apa tuh berita-berita itu kan. Oh my
Yes,
God. Poor
yes.
baby.
Yeah, like child abusing. Okay, the last one, Naya. Calm
stress.
under stress. Waduh, what is it?
Iya.
Hmm. Like the person was really smart at emotional things like that.
Yeah, like emotional managing.
Yeah, emotional
Mm-mm.
management that they could still think logically even with
Mm-mm.
so much pressure.
Yes, in so much pressure. Okay, so what kind of the professional job that really needs calm under pressures?
Hmm, maybe it's dokter, like kalau pasiennya kenapa-napa terus dokternya panik kan jadi bingung
Betul.
lah. But
Yes.
I think all job needs calm under stress, like yeah,
Yes.
especially the atasan one,
Mm-mm,
like
mm-mm.
they could get any hate from their bawahan or
Mhm,
even their other boss like that.
mhm.
And their responsibility is already big, and they get hate on another from another person, like that's really
Yes, that is clearly answered.
yeah.
Yes,
So I
like
think
doctor,
the
they
job,
have to be calm in every
yeah, job.
situations. Ya, in every situations. Bener kata kamu. Jadi kalau dokternya panik, how about the patients gitu kan? How about the family of the patients gitu? Nggak bisa. So you have to always be calm gitu.
Yeah.
And teachers also, because sometimes my students are crying for nothing. So I have to be calm in the classroom. Gitu. Okay, that's good. Next one. Oh, ini belum kejawab. What about the blogger? Blogger itu butuh apa aja nih? Ya,
Huh?
blogger. I think blogger needs to organize well.
Blogger, what is
Yep.
blogger, Miss? I'm sorry.
Blogger itu sama kayak writer. Blogger itu yang penulis blog. Tapi kalau sekarang itu kebanyakan jadinya vlogger karena dia bikinnya video kan.
Oh.
Heeh. Kalau blogger itu biasanya di articles. They are making articles
Hmm.
gitu. So what kind of the what is it? This one?
I
The
think blogger
behavior,
is
yeah,
organized and
organized
curious.
and curious. Good. Accountant?
Accountant is, yeah, pay attention to small details.
Yes, pay attention to the small details. Good. Next, the text. I want you to read the text now. Wait a moment. Okay. I'm going to divide it into some of the parts. So you have to pay attention to the others, yeah, one another. This part is going to be read by wait. Hold on. Sampai sini deh. By Bilqis, the yellow one. And then continued by
Me?
yeah. And then continued by Zia until
Boy.
this part. Zia is going to be the blue. Zia is the blue.
Okay.
And the last
Okay.
is Naya is going to be this part until the end.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Bilqis first.
Okay. When I grow up, I want to be designer. A designer makes what the fuck is
That
that?
is actually your dream job.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay. A designer makes things look good and work well. There are many kinds of designers. Some make clothes and they are called fashion designer. Oh yeah.
Hmm.
Others make cool website and they are called web designer. Some designer make fun video games and they are known as game designer.
Okay, so this is actually your dream job, but especially for the fashion designer. Hmm. Okay, nice. Next, continued by Zia.
Hey, I like to draw and create new things. I can use
Oh my
colors,
gosh.
shapes, and pencils to make my dream come to life. I also enjoy solving problems and helping people. As a designer, I can do both. I want to learn more about design when I'm in school. I will take art classes and learn about computers.
Oh, I see. So as the designers, you have to master of ini, draw and create the new things. Jadi kamu harus bisa bikin patterns. Patterns itu apa? Kayak sketch gitu loh.
Okay, so.
Okay, you also have to, what is it, take the art classes and learn about the computers. You have to use the colors, shapes, and patterns. Okay, thank you, Zia.
Yeah, miss.
Next, Naya.
Maybe I will even make my own website or design a game. There are many tools that designers use, like pencil, paints, and computers. I think it would be fun to learn how to use all of them. When I grow up, I want to make a world a more beautiful and exciting place. Being a designer lets me do that. I can't wait to see what I will create.
Wow, okay. As the designer, you also will make the world's more beautiful and exciting place. For example, you're going to think of making the new buildings, ya kan? That really needs your design. So you have to think of it, you have to find your inspirations, you have to go somewhere to, yeah, just to pick one of the design. Misalnya kayak the simple thing. Oh, jendelanya mau gimana ya bentuknya? Is it going to be curved? Is it going to be square? Is it going to be circle? You have to think about it. And then also for the web design, jadi kayak designer website juga sama. Like this website deh, for example, this page ya. Ini kan dari TUI namanya. Tuh. This lesson was created by AI at the TUI.com. Ini dari TUI. So they have to think of the color, they have to think of what this picture is going to be placed, ada di sebelah kiri, or they're going to make it on the center, or they're going to make it on the right side gitu. So they need to think about it. They have to pay attention to small details juga. Gitu. Oh my God, that is really exciting. Okay, thank you, Naya.
Yeah.
All right, now before we go down for the answer questions, I want to fix one of, what is it? The some of the what is it? The words, ya. Tadi ada beberapa yang salah, but I need to go one by one. I'm gonna go with Bilkis first. Bilkis?
Me again?
Okay, no, no, no. I want you to say it again, but with the right pronunciation. Let's go.
When I grow up, I want to be a designer. A designer makes things look good and work well. There are many kinds of designer. Some makes clothes and they are called fashion
Nah,
designer.
stop. This is not called, but called. And they are
Oh,
called,
called
yes,
called and they are called
yes. And they are called
oh
fashion
my
designer.
and they are called fashion designer. Others makes ah others make cool website and they are called web designer. Some
Mhm.
designer make fun video games and they are known
They
as
are
game designer.
known. They are
Known,
known.
yeah, known,
Yes, okay.
and they are known as game
Oh,
designer.
designers. Good. And then this thing, please pay attention to pronounce make. It's not make. It's not make, ya. But you have to make it a little bit I. Jadi ada
What?
I sedikit. It's going to be make. That's gonna be the same like cake, how you pronounce
But I
cake.
say make.
But it sounded like you were saying make fun video games. Make. No, it's going to be make. Yeah?
Make
Uh-uh.
fun.
Yes, that's good. Make fun video games and they are known as game designer. Okay, Zia, go read again.
I like to draw and create new things. I
Good.
can use colors, shapes, and patterns to make my ideas come to life. I
Oke, stop.
also
This is not live, tapi kalau yang ada pakai F itu live.
live.
Kalau V, kalau pakai V, huruf V, itu baru live. Okay,
Okay.
continue.
I also enjoy solving problems and helping people. As a designer, I can do both.
Okay,
I want
both.
to learn
This is
both.
not
I,
boots, tapi both.
I can do both.
Yes.
I want to learn more about design when I'm in school. I will take art classes and learn about computers.
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 Okay, thank you, Zia. Next,
Yeah.
Naya, read again one more time. Naya? Oh, she's going somewhere, I think.
Oh my
Naya,
god.
Sorry, what happened?
she's back. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Why, Naya, your voice is very far away. Hello?
Yeah.
Can you please make your, what is it, your device closer to your mouth?
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
What do I do? I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. You read again?
Read. Okay. Maybe like from the start, like from maybe.
Maybe I will.
Yeah. Maybe I will even make my own website or design a game. There are many tools that designers use like pencil, paint, and computer programs. I think it would be fun to learn how to use all of them.
Okay,
When
stop
I grow
first.
up,
Stop. I need to make
oh,
a corrections for this. It's not tools, but tools. It's clearly
tools.
U, ya. Clearly U, tools.
Oh,
Hmm.
tools.
And then computer, don't forget to add the Y kayak computer. It's not computer, computer.
Oh, computer.
Yes, and I
Yeah,
think it would. Jangan pakai L, would.
wood.
Yeah, I think it would be fun to learn how to use all of them. Next.
When I grow up, I want to make the world a more beautiful and exciting place. Being a designer lets me do that. I can't wait to see what I will create.
Yes, that's nice. Okay, any questions? Is there any
Uh,
No,
questions? No, clear, yeah?
Ah,
Okay, answer these questions 1 to 3. Number 1 is going to be done by Zia, and then number 2 going to be done by Bilkis. The last is Naya's part. Go, Zia first.
okay. What does James enjoy doing?
Mm-hmm.
Part C.
Drawing and creating.
Yeah, drawing and creating new things.
Okay, good. Drawing and creating new things. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Hello. Okay. C. Next, number 2 by Bilkis.
What? Wait. Where?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. What? What's Jimmy's motivation for becoming a designer?
Mm-hmm. What's his motivation?
Mm,
Mm.
um, maybe he wants to work in the computer industry. It's
No, no, it's not written like that. This is supposed to be Naya's part before. Ini Naya's part yang tadi di teks ini.
oh,
Ayo, you don't have to pay attention to Naya's part then.
oh my god.
Ayo.
Maybe he wants. Oh my gosh.
To make the world. To make the world.
Maybe he wants to make the world a more beautiful place.
Yes, that's correct. He wants to make the world a more beautiful and exciting place. Tadi dia bilangnya gitu ya. Okay, next Naya, number 3.
What best describe James' future career plans?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's C,
Becoming a
game designer.
mm,
Uh,
wait. I also forget about this. Some designer make fun
oh,
videos. No, right? It's not a game designer. This one, maybe I will even make my own website or design a game. Oh, iya ya. Is it game
So what
design?
is it?
Or he wants to be a designer in general? Kira-kira dia
yeah,
maunya
I
apa?
think it's D, like,
I want to be designer. Designer makes skills for God and then it.
I think he wants to be the general designer.
mm-hmm.
What do you think, Naya?
Yeah, I think it's C, like, he just wants to be designer in general. He
Yeah, he
wants
wants to
everything.
be this designer in general because he wants to learn many things, right? He wants to learn many things. He wants to learn how to use the pencil, paints, computer programs. Being a designer lets me do that. Yeah, he wants to become a designer in general. Okay, he didn't decide it yet. Dia belum memilih ya. He didn't decide yet. Okay, next. The third part, look at the list of the unusual job and match each job with descriptions. Which job from the list would you like to try and why? I'm going to divide again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, the yellow part's supposed to be Naya now. The yellow part's supposed to be Naya.
Okay.
And then this, and this. Oh, no. It's supposed to be like this and this. Okay, this is Naya's part. And then the green one supposed to be Zia. Zia, you are the green one.
Okay.
And the blue one is Bilkis' part. 1,
Okay, cool.
2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. The rest is for Miss Dita. Okay, go.
Me, Miss?
Professional. Oh my God, professional cuddlers. Naya,
Yeah,
what does it mean?
professional
Client.
cuddlers mean
Because we are talking about the unusual. Ini harus di underline dulu ya, guys. We are talking about the unusual job. Berarti pekerjaan yang luar biasa.
pekerjaan memeluk orang.
Mm-mm. Yeah, they have to convert people.
Uh,
Maybe the one who really needs cuddle, who really needs the hug, yeah, they can go with the professional cuddlers. Okay, Naya, please find the definitions of it.
it's 6.
6.
Ya,
People who hug others for a job tuh kan, yang butuh pelukan gitu, guys.
Oh.
Bilkis, do you need the professional cuddlers? Okay, next is Zia. Professional
Uh,
mermaids. Oh my God.
People who dress up as mermaids for events or shows.
Okay, people who dress up as mermaids for events or show.
Okay.
Okay, maybe you can find this job di mana kira-kira? Where can you
Uh,
find this job?
in zoo,
In the
in the zoo,
in the zoo.
maybe.
Oke, ya kenapa jadi hilang semua?
Yang di Jakarta
Zoo.
nggak sih?
Ada sih kayak di Jakarta tuh adanya di akuarium ya, Jakarta
Ya, ya,
Aquarium.
Jakarta
Mm-mm.
Aquarium.
Ya, Mermaid Show.
Hmm.
Yes. Okay, good. Next is Bilkis.
Eh,
Fortune cookie. Fortune cookie itu kan keberuntungan ya?
Really?
Iya nggak sih Naya?
iya, Miss.
Iya kan, fortune cookie itu di Jepang sebagai keberuntungan.
It reminds me of JKT48
Iya,
song.
yang mencinta fortune cookies. Go.
Okay. Which one? Uh, a person who writes a message inside fortune cookies.
Good. A person who writes the messages inside the fortune cookies. Jadi, dia akan menuliskan pesan-pesan di belakang fortune cookies card. Gitu. Enggak, card sih. Fortune cookies itu berbentuk cookies, benar-benar cookies.
I,
Yang di belakangnya itu bisa dilihat message-nya. Wait, I need to go to Google. Fortune cookies
di
message.
SpongeBob nggak sih, Miss?
Hah?
Like SpongeBob.
SpongeBob? Emang iya?
Ya, ya.
Oh, I've
Ya,
never watched
SpongeBob.
that episode.
Oh,
Jadi fortune
okay.
cookies tuh kayak gini, fortune cookies.
Ya,
Nah,
I'll try it.
luck is
SpongeBob.
coming your way tuh. Dia yang akan menuliskan pesan-pesan ini. Luck is coming your way. The best things in life are free. You will apa tadi? Apa ini tadi? Nih, you will receive a fortune cookie at Kent and Carrie's wedding. Ya, gitulah pokoknya. Oh, jadi ini juga
Itu
ada jobsnya ya. Oke.
Jokes.
in SpongeBob.
In
I know.
SpongeBob. Coba Miss
Ya,
lihat dulu fortune
ya, ya.
cookie SpongeBob. Wait.
Oh,
SpongeBob.
something.
Ini.
Ya,
Oh my God, I didn't watch this episode yet. Miss
ya.
belum lihat episode ini. Karate
Ya,
King, the movie. Is it?
ya.
Okay. Yes, that is
Wow.
fortune cookies. Good job. Next, back to Naya. Professional food taster.
It's 5.
Someone who?
Someone who tries different food to see if they taste good. Taste
Yes.
good.
Someone who tries different food to see if if they taste good. Day-nya ini termasuk makanan ya. Jadi dia akan mengetes makanan kalau makanannya enak gitu. Jadi dia bukan chef sebenarnya, tapi the one who really have what is it like the high taste, punya selera yang tinggi gitu of the food. Okay. Next one is Zia, professional sleeper.
Three, someone who gets paid to sleep.
Okay, someone who gets paid to sleep, enak banget.
I volunteer.
I also want to work like this. Someone who gets paid to sleep, dia dibayar untuk tidur, guys.
Oh my gosh, I won.
I also want it. I don't really need to do my job right now.
Saya saja.
Someone who gets paid to sleep. Jadi kenapa kira-kira dia dibayar untuk tidur ya? What do you think?
Ini
Kenapa
yang
dia
lomba
dibayar untuk tidur? Kenapa dia dibayar untuk tidur?
yang lomba itu nggak sih, Miss?
My God, this is being serious. Like they're getting the money like $1,500 per nap.
And you know yang lomba lama-lama tidur, Miss.
Oh iya, 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 iya. The longest durations of sleep. Tapi itu bukannya untuk break the world record ya?
Maybe, but I don't know.
Oh my God. 11 legit side hustles that will actually pay you to sleep. You have to find more than on the Google. Okay, next. The last is who is that part? Bilkis ya?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. The
Panda Nanny.
nanny. Okay. A person who takes care of pandas.
Oh, a
Yeah.
person who takes care of panda in the zoo, I think. So it's going to be called like the zookeeper. Bisa nggak dibilang zookeeper?
I don't know.
Yeah, similar ya. The job is similar. And do you also want to take care of panda?
I want, but um, I'm kind of lazy. I'm kind of lazy of bersihin pupnya itu loh.
Oh my God. But panda is cute. I also want to be the panda nanny, but do not be the, what is it, the bear nanny. I'm gonna run away.
Why
Karena
they
panda
they're
itu,
cute too.
ya because panda is not dangerous, right?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. It's very cute. So the last is professional Netflix watcher itu apa? Professional Netflix watcher. Someone who
Someone who watch Netflix shows and movies.
for work.
Uh,
Okay.
or
So
what? Oh yeah, I see.
yeah, let's say before the movie is launched in the Netflix, maybe someone is getting the money by watching the Netflix shows first. Gitu.
Oh wow.
Jadi dia dibayar untuk menilai sebagai penonton yang belum pernah melihat filmnya sama sekali before the movies launch, sebelum diluncurkan gitu. Ah,
Oh
nice.
cool.
Okay, so as the time has already been 8 p.m. now, I want you to answer this part, biasa ya, on the chat, on the group chat.
PR.
Zia, by the way, what about your phone?
What, Miss?
Masih rusak?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I will send to your mom and then you have to answer this by texting me ya. Chat
Yeah.
Miss Dita ya. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. See you next week and don't forget to answer these questions, okay?
The homework. Okay.
I'll be
Bye.
waiting until tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a good
Bye,
night.
bye,
Bye.
teacher, and
Bye,
bye.
everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you for today, Miss.
You're welcome, Naya. Most welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.